Sri Lanka is a great destination to sample a wide variety of cuisines. Colonial influences have left their mark with unique preparations like the lumprai, which is a succulent blend of rice cooked in chicken stock, veggies and meats. Sri Lankans enjoy their traditional rice and curry, but string hoppers and hoppers both provide a completely different taste and mouthfeel. There is another dish which has grown in popularity as a comfort food and is found all over the island. Today, the kottu is enjoyed by all age groups. This is the town of Batiklo, and the time was somewhere in the 1970s. It is presumed to be the birthplace and location of the rise of the Kottu Roti. Subsequently, in the 1980s, the ongoing civil war meant that people were looking for alternative meal options. A dish that was easy to prepare, tasty and cheap. A meal the blue-collar worker could have their fill. The Kottu Roti is not only a dish prepared to feed the hungry stomach. The very act of preparation of the dish, on a heated flat griddle, where the cook becomes a drummer, albeit with a metallic touch, is an affair filled with various histrionics and theatrics. Today, the kottu can be found in every nook and corner of the country, every street cafe, and in almost every star-class hotel. The name Kottu Roti is derived from the Tamil language, meaning minced roti. The roti is essentially a flat bread, called godamba bread, made from wheat flour, sugar, salt, oil and water. The ingredients consist of the godamba roti, which is sliced, carrots, leeks and cabbage, pre-made chicken curry with a chunk of chicken, kiri hodi, which is a non-spicy white curry, a couple of eggs, curry leaves, garlic and oil, tomato, capsicum and onion, salt, pepper, chili pieces and chili paste. The veggies are put on a heated griddle and fried for a minute. The eggs and spices are introduced and mixed. The roti is then added. The kiri hodi is also added to keep the mixture flavourful and moist. Finally, the piece of chicken is included with a little bit of curry. This is the time the beat of the kottu establishes itself. Naturally, every cook has his own signature sound. This is the sound of kottu. Once the chopping motion has completely pulverized the ingredients, roti and chicken, we are done. The resultant mix is then plated. Of course, if you're in a restaurant, they embellish the plating elegantly than a roadside cafe. Cheese topping and an attractive garnish means you have an Instagram-worthy picture and a meal to remember.